podcast on biotechnology, principles, and processes. Competent host for transformation with recombinant DNA. Since DNA is a hydrophilic molecule, it cannot pass through cell membranes. Why? In order to force bacteria to take up the plasmid, the bacterial cells must first be made competent to take up the DNA. This is done by treating them with a specific concentration of a divalent cation such as calcium, which increases the efficiency with which DNA enters the bacterium through pores in its cell wall. Recombinant DNA can then be forced into such cells by incubating these cells with recombinant DNA on ice, followed by placing them briefly at 42 degrees Celsius, that is heat shock, and then putting them back on the ice. This enables the bacteria to take up the recombinant DNA. This is not the only way to introduce alien DNA into the host cells. In a method known as microinjection, recombinant DNA is directly injected into the nucleus of an animal cell. In the method suitable for plants, cells are bombarded with high velocity microparticles of gold or tungsten coated with DNA in a method known as biolistics or gene gun. And the last method uses disarmed pathogen vectors. When allowed to infect the cell, transfer the recombinant DNA into the host. Now that we have learnt about the tools for constructing recombinant DNA, let us discuss the process facilitating recombinant DNA technology.